Hello students, today we start a new chapter number 12, linear programming of a construction management subject. So first we discuss about the introduction about the linear programming. So first of all, linear programming was developed by Danjing in 1947 while working for a USA Air Force. So here this linear programming is generally used to solve the problems of the engineering works and also used in a Air Force. So here in this chapter we discuss about the solving the problems of the construction management and address this problem by converting the objectives and constraint in the form of the linear equation, and it is assumed that the variable in a linear programming have a linear relationship with each other. So here first of all we prepare a mathematical model for the linear programming solving problems. So here first we shall learn how to convert the real life problem in a mathematical model. So here some of the engineering problems is first we convert into mathematical model, and then after we solve the mathematical model by using the equation and preparing the equation. So suppose there are the one example is given. So there are the hollow block manufacturing who manufacture the hollow blocks of a four type. So here see this table. In this table four type of the hollow blocks is manufactured by the one of the company. So hollow block is type is a B1, B2, B3 and B4. So time consuming for making the block is given. So here in a column number 2 in a table, see this table, in a table column number 2, time taken to manufacture any block for a single block time is given. So here for a manufacturing B1 block time is taken 10 minutes, then after B2 block time taken is 15 minutes, B3 block time taken is 20 minutes, and B4 block time taken is 5 minutes. Now in a third column profit is given. So here profit is given like per block. If we manufacturing B1 type of the block, so per block we profit rupees 2. For a B2 block 2.5 rupees profit, B3 block is 3 rupees profit, and B4 type of the block 1.5 rupees profit. Now here the above data is uh, it is assumed that block producing machine are running for 8 hours daily. Clear? So here maximum possible block 8 hours daily. So 8 multiplied by 60 minute. So total 8 multiplied by 8 hours multiplied by 60 minute, we got the answer in the form of the minute. So total 480 minutes manufacturing block machine is running. So total 480 minutes. See this column number 4, maximum possible block manufacture. So here 480 is 8 multiplied by 60. So 8 hour is a running machine time, and machine hour time is converted into minute. So 8 multiplied by 60, we got the answer is a 480. So 480 divided by 10. So 10 is the time taken to manufacture one block of a B1 type of the block. So 480 divided by 10. So we got the answer 48 block. So these answers show that the maximum manufacturing of the block per day is a 48 number of the B1 type of the block. Similarly for a B2 type of the block, Maximum possible block is a 480. We already discussed about what is 480 number and how it's get divided by 15. 15 is the time taken for a manufacture B2 type of the block. So we manufacturing 32 blocks per day. Similarly, B3 we manufacture 24 number of the block, and a B4 block we manufacture 96 block. Now here maximum profit, how to calculate the maximum profit? So number of the possible block manufactured multiplied by one block profit in the form of the rupees. So maximum profit is equal to 48 multiplied by 2. See in a table number 14.1, column number 5, B1 hollow block type. So here maximum profit is a 48 multiplied by 2. 2 is a profit in the form of the rupees. So 48 multiplied by 2, we got the answer 96. Then after 32 multiplied by 2.5 is 80, and 24 multiplied by 3, we got the answer 72, and 96 multiplied by 1.5, so we got the answer 144 rupees. So from the above table it is clear that for if we manufacture B4 type of the block, so we got the maximum profit, and manufacturer shall be definitely interested is knowing about the maximum benefit and another plan which gives still more profit. So these are the two main things our manufacturer is interested to know. So let us now try to prepare a mathematical model for this problem. So here see this how to prepare the mathematical model. So first of all it's given how much blocks of each category is manufactured. So here x1, x2, x3 and x4 is a blocks of B1 category, B2 category, B3 category and B4 category. So here x1 blocks of B1 category. So here our manufacture, so profit is maximum. So now profit is we take a Z. Z is given by the following expression. So Z is equal to 2x1 plus 2.5x2 plus 3x3 plus 1.5 x4. So here we confuse that how to get the value of the 2x1, 2.5, 3 and 1.5. So these 2.5, 3 and 1.5 is a profit. So see the column number 3 in a table. So here B1 type is a 2, B2 type is a 2.5, B3 is a 3 and B4 is a 1.5. And here x1, x2, x3 in place of the b1, b2, b3 and b4 we take a x1, x2, x3 and x4, and z is a profit. So z is equal to 2x1 plus 2.5x2 plus 3x3 and 1 plus 1.5 x4. So thus the we have to maximize the value of the z. Z is a profit, so here we compulsory maximize the value z. So here equation 1 means z is equal to 2x1 plus 2.5x2 plus 3x3 plus 1.5 x4 is objective function, and we have been given the time to prepare the various block is 10 minutes. Already we see this table column number 2. So time taken to manufacture the block B1, B2, B3 and B4 is given 10, 15, 20 and 5. So here 10 minutes for a one block for B1 type, 15 minutes for a one block for B2 type, 20 minutes for a one block for a B3 type, and 5 minutes for a one block for B4 type of the block. Now the total time considered consumed in preparing is a x1 block is of a b1 type, x2 block of a b2 type, x3 block of a b3 type and x4 block of a b4 type is equal to 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3 plus 5x4. So here 10, 15, 20 and 5 is a time taken for a manufacturing of the B1, B2, B3 and B4 blocks. Now here we take a we running the machine for 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours is converted into minute, so 8 multiplied by 60 minute, so 8 multiplied by 60 is 480 minutes. So 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3 plus 5x4 less than or equal to 480 minutes. Clear? So here inequality in a equation 2 is known as a constraint, and the objective function 1 has to be satisfy the constraint number 2. Now the number of the block manufacturer are a positive integer because one cannot manufacture negative numbers of the block, like -5, -10, -20 block can never be manufactured. So therefore x1, x2, x3 and x4 always greater than or equal to 0. So these are also the constraint. Now the model uh, developed will be z is equal to 2x1 plus 2.5x2 plus 3x3 plus 1.5x4 is a maximized z subject to 10x1 plus 15x2 plus 20x3 plus 5x4 less than or equal to 480. So here x1, x2, x3 and x4 greater than equal to 0. So here the value of the x1, x2, x3 and x4 found out by knowing the method of solution, and they are such that when they are substituted in a objective function give the maximum value of the z and simultaneously satisfy the constraint. So here let us we take another example, linear programming model. We start another example. Here table is given. So here above equation is a mathematical model equation is developed by uh, mathematical formulas, and we use the data given in a table. Now let's we start another example, like a contractor manufacture door and window, and here he earns a profit of rupees 500 and 600 through the sale of the window and door respectively. So here door profit here window profit is 500 and door profit is 600. Now for making each window door, two shops are required, one carpentry and another is a painting. So in a carpentry shop 8 carpenters are employed who work in 8 hours daily, and in a painting department 8 full-time painters and 1 part-time painters are employed. Clear? So here all the values are put in a table. So here see this table, there are 2 items are manufactured by the contractor. So item is a window and door, see in a column number 1. Then after consumption per unit, carpentry and painting. So these are the two things are given, carpentry and painting. So here see this above paragraph. So fabricating the window required 3 hours in a carpentry and 1 hours in a painting, and for a door required 4 hours in a carpentry and 4 hours in a painting. So we write in a column number 2, carpentry time required is 3 hours, and for a window, and for a door carpentry time required is 4 hours. Similarly painting time required for a window is 1 hours, and for a door painting time required is 4 hours. Now maximum production is here 64 hours and 68 hours is given. So 64 hours carpentry, so Here 64 is a carpentry hours and 68 is a painting hours. So 64 divided by 3. So here carpentry hours on an average maximum production is a 21.3, and similarly 64 divided by 3 for a door we got the value is a 16, and similarly for a 68 hours divided by 1 for a painting, and 68 hours divided by 4 is equal to 17. So here maximum value we got. Here 64 hours is 8 hours full time, 8 person is working, so is a 8 multiplied by 8 is a 64, and in a painting work total 8 hours, 8 person is working for a full time, and 1 person is working for half time. So here 8 multiplied by 8 plus 4, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, so total 68 hours. Now profit is given like per unit is for a window is a 500, and for a door is a 600 profit. So now total profit in a rupees 64 divided by 3 multiplied by 500 means 21.3 multiplied by 500, we got the answer 10,666.6 rupees. Similarly 64 divided by 4 means is equal to 16 multiplied by 600 is a 9600 is a total profit for a door. Now let us find out the model for this problem. So here our aim to maximize the profit, so let us assume that the x1 for a window and x2 for a door. So profit Z is equal to 500 x1 plus 600 x2. Now we have a limitation in availability in hours like a carpentry and painting. So we manufacture the door x1, we manufacture the window x1 and x2 for a door. So here 3x1 plus 4x2, so 3 and 4 is already seen in column number 2. Carpentry time is given 3 hours and 4 hours for a door and window. So 3x1 plus 4x2 hours is a capacity carpentry, but less than or equal to 64 hours. So 3x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 64. So similarly total expended hours in a painting is x1 plus 4x2, which should be less than or equal to 68 hours. So x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 68. So naturally x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. So mathematical model is the maximize the z value is equal to 500 x1 plus 600 x2 subjected to 3x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 64, and x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 68, and x1 x2 greater than or equal to 0. So these are the linear programming mathematical model formula. So here this formulation of linear programming problem we discuss in a next lecture. Thank you.